Today, we're comparing two of the most popular AI art generators, MidJourney and Stable Diffusion. Both have loyal fans, but they work in very different ways. Let's see which one fits your creative needs. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this review is based on research and user experiences. It's for informational purposes only. MidJourney is a closed source AI that runs mainly through Discord. It's famous for its polished, artistic, and often surreal visuals. MidJourney doesn't require much technical knowledge. Just type your prompt and you'll likely get something impressive right away. Stable Diffusion, on the other hand, is open source. That means anyone can download it, run it locally, or use it through different interfaces. It's highly customizable, perfect for creators who want deep control, model training, and niche styles. Now, if we talk about features and workflow, according to Career Foundry, MidJourney is easier to use because everything happens inside Discord. You don't worry about settings, just prompts. But the downside is limited control and no direct local use. Stable diffusion requires more setup and technical know how, but once running, it gives you tools like in-painting, out-painting, model switching, and extensions. In short, MidJourney is plug and play, while Stable Diffusion is a sandbox for experimentation. eWeek adds that MidJourney usually produces higher quality visuals out of the box, while Stable Diffusion excels in prompt accuracy and reproducibility. On Reddit, artists often compare them like this. Midjourney is like a camera with automatic filters. It's hard to get a bad shot. It's hard to get a bad shot. Stable diffusion is more like Photoshop. You control everything, but it takes skill and time to master. If we talk about legal and ethical use, both platforms face scrutiny. In 2024, a U.S. judge ruled that Stability AI and Midjourney must face parts of a copyright lawsuit brought by artists. The case centers on whether training models on unlicensed artworks violates copyright. This means users should be aware of ongoing legal risks. For the final verdict, go with Midjourney if you want quick, beautiful, stylized image with minimal effort. Go with Stable Diffusion if you value customization, local control, and flexibility, especially if you're willing to put in the extra learning curve. Both are legitimate tools, and the choice depends entirely on your workflow and goals. So, which one matches your style? Midjourney's effortless beauty or Stable Diffusion's deep control? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI breakdowns.